Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Deepika Padukone wishes Katrina Kaif Vicky Kaushal loyalty, congratulates newlyweds. The biggest wedding of the year has just ended. We had been eagerly waiting to see Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal as a Dulhan and Dulha. The duo took to social media and shared pictures from their wedding. Dressed in a Sabyasachi lehenga, Katrina grabbed all the attention. Soon after they released their wedding pixels from the entertainment industry showered them with love and blessings. Deepika Padukone also commented on Vicky Kat's wedding pics and sent her love to the newly married couple. Deepika Padukone is super happy for Vicky and Katrina. She shared her good wishes for the couple on social media, commenting on Vicky Kat's wedding pics. Deepika wrote, "Wishing you both a lifetime of love, laughter, loyalty, respect, and companionship." While Katrina made a grand entry in the dolly, wearing a Sabyasachi lehenga, Vicky, on the other hand, looked handsome as ever in a white, heavily embroidered Sabyasachi sherwani with a matching shahara. Bird flu confirmed in Kerala's Kuttanad region, cooling off birds ordered in the affected parts. Authorities have confirmed fresh case of the bird flu in Alappuza's Kuttanad region in Kerala, and rapid response teams have been formed for cooling hens and ducks in affected areas. The fresh cases were confirmed in the Thakaji Panchayat Kuttanad region in the Alappuza district after samples were sent to Bhopal's National Institute of High Security Animal Disease after thousands of ducks raised by farmers were found dead. Following these rapid response teams were constituted by the animal husbandry to clear ducks and hens in the affected areas. An order has been issued to cull ducks, hens, eggs, and other birds within 1 kilometer area of the epicenter where the cases were detected. A restriction on movement of ducks, hens, eggs, manure, and other fowls has been imposed around a 12-kilometer radius of the epicenter to prevent further spread of the infection. This is the second time bird flu has confirmed in the Kerala in this year. Anushka Sharma confirms Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal are her neighbors in the latest post. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal are finally married on December 9th. The couple took to their respective Instagram pages to share beautiful pictures from their Rajasthan wedding. Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif tied the knot on December 9 at 6 Census Fort Barwara in Sawai Madhopur, Rajasthan. The wedding was attended by the family members and close friends. The couple is expected to host a reception in Mumbai soon. As soon as Vicky and Katrina shared their first picture from their wedding, several celebrities took to the comment section to congratulate them. Anushka Sharma's message for the newlyweds revealed that they are indeed moving into the same builders as her. Sharing a photo of the Vicky and Katrina from the wedding, she wrote, "Congratulations to both of you. Wishing you guys a lifetime of togetherness, love, and understanding. Also glad you are finally married so that now you can move into your house soon and we can stop hearing construction sound." At the Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal. Ahead of the wedding, we have reported that Vicky Kaushal has found a perfect love nest for Katrina Kaif in Mumbai. The couple, after several months of house hunting, finally rented a luxurious apartment in Juhu, Mumbai. They will be neighbors to Anushka and Virat, who have 2 floors in the same building. Varun Singh, a real estate owner, told in that Vicky paid a whopping sum to rent the house. Varun said Vicky has rented an apartment in Juhu Rajmahal, an ultra-luxurious building, for a period of 60 months, that is 5 years. He rented the 8th floor apartment in July 2021. The security deposit paid by the Vicky Kaushal is close to Rs 1.75 crore, and the rent for the initial 36 months is Rs 8 lakh per month. For the next 12 months, it is Rs 8.40 lakh per month, and for the remaining 12 months, Vicky Kaushal will pay a rent of Rs 8.82 lakh per month.
সবার সাথে সবার পাশে জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.